Good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Sumyamas. The topic of my today's presentation is programmable logic array and programmable array logic from programmable logic and memory devices of digital logic circuits and design. On completion, the students will be able to understand the classification of memories and also differentiate between PLA and PAL. Memory classification. Parameters that are used to characterize a memory device are area, power and speed. Smaller the area per bit and more devices are accommodated within the area is found to be cost efficient. The speed of operation also plays an important role with respect to memory, and power is important because of their applications in many battery operated portable systems. Power dissipation of memory plays an important role here, and classification based on operation. So the memory classification based on operation are as read-only memory and random access memory, and based on the data storage mode we can categorize memory as volatile and non-volatile. Volatile memory devices will store information as long as it is having power. As soon as the power is turned off, the information is lost. Static RAM and dynamic RAM belong to volatile memory. EEPROM and mask programmable ROM are examples for non-volatile memory devices. If the power is turned off, information will not be lost in a non-volatile memory device. Classification based on the access method. Based on access method, the memory can be either random access method or non-random access memory. Programmable devices can be divided into three areas: programmable logic structure, programmable interconnect, reprogrammable gate array. A programmable logic device is an electronic component that is used to build reconfigurable digital circuits. So unlike a logic gate which has a fixed function, this programmable logic device has an undefined function at that particular time of manufacturing. Programmable logic structure. Programmable logic arrays are a type of fixed architecture logic devices with programmable AND gates followed by programmable OR array. Logic array is the structure unit which can be programmed to perform various functions. Programmable logic array can be implemented as AND or plain devices. So here we have programmable AND array and programmable OR array. Programmable logic array is used to implement a complex combinational circuit. The AND and OR gates inside the programmable logic array are initially fabricated with fuses among them. The specific Boolean functions are implemented in sum of products form by blowing the appropriate fuses, and with respect to that we can obtain the Boolean expression for the same. The programmable logic array with 3 inputs, 4 product terms and 2 outputs for the above Boolean expression is given as follows. Programmable array logic architecture. The programmable array logic is a programmable logic device with a fixed OR array and a programmable AND array. Because only the AND gates are programmable, the programmable array logic is easier to program but is not as flexible as the programmable logic array. So it's a diagrammatic representation of programmable array logic. Discuss the quiz questions on programmable logic array and programmable array logic. Discuss the parameters used to characterize a memory device. Describe in detail about programmable logic structures. Thank you.